to Rega Achievers Educational Limited, presenting rare tutors. Still on the series of how to answer GCSE Paper 1 question, we'll be focusing on how to answer question 2 of the GCSE question. Stay tuned. Answering GCSE Paper 1 question 2. Question 2 focuses on language analysis. It has 8 marks and you have 10 to 12 minutes to do this. What it tests? It tests your ability to analyze the language a writer uses to create effects or impressions. Tips for success. First, choose 2 to 3 short, well selected quotes from the lines given. 2. Identify language techniques, e.g., simile, metaphor, personification, alliteration, powerful adjectives. 3. Explain the effect of those words or phrases. What do they make the reader think, feel, or imagine? 4. Zoom in on keywords. That is, you ask yourself, what does that exact word suggest? Why did the writer choose it? Here is the structure you can go use to answer the question. The PEEZ or the PEAZ, that is, P stand for point, make a clear point about the writer's use of language. E, evidence, quote briefly from the text. The next E, explain. Explain what the quote suggests or shows. The last, which is the Z, zoom in. Zoom in on a word or phrase and explain its effects in detail. Here is a model question. How does the writer use language to describe the storm? This is the text. The thunder growled like a hungry beast, and forks of lightning crowed across the sky. Here's the answer. The writer uses a simile to compare the thunder to a hungry beast, which makes it seem alive and threatening. This suggests that the storm is powerful and aggressive, almost like it's hurting. The phrase forks of lightning clawed across the sky uses violent imagery, and the word clouded implies the lightning is dangerous and animalistic, adding to the feeling of fear and chaos. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Just spotting techniques without explaining them is very wrong. Choosing long quotes instead of zooming in also is wrong. Saying things like, it makes the reader want to read on. You have to be specific on what feeling the text had or has on the reader. Language techniques to look for. In that extract, we have simile, as fast as lightning, metaphor, the sea was a monster, personification, the wind whispered, alliteration, dark, dangerous path, powerful verbs or adjective, slammed, sliced, glimmery, haunting. That'll be all for today. Thank you very much for joining. See you in our next class. Bye.